Halifax, Nova Scotia is where seafaring legend and rich history meet salty air and coastal charm. Kick off your morning aboard the Harbor Hopper, an amphibious ride that splashes from city streets into the harbor. Then, step onto the star-shaped Halifax Citadel for panoramic views and costumed reenactors. Looking for an iconic escape? Head out to Peggy's Cove for postcard-perfect lighthouse views. Or explore the vibrant wooden waterfronts of Lunenburg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Back in town, ease into the afternoon with a walk through the Halifax Public Gardens, an oasis of blooms, fountains, and winding paths. Then savor the moment with lobster, pulled fresh from the dock, butter-drenched and unforgettable, served right on the waterfront. From rugged coastline to refined cuisine, Halifax invites you to experience it all. Book your celebrity cruise today and let the journey begin.